The Karnataka High Court on Thursday issued notices to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and his wife Parvathi BM in connection with the Mysuru Urban Development Authority site allotment case. The court also sought responses from the Lokayukta police and the Enforcement Directorate regarding the B report or closure report filed in the matter. The notices were ordered by Justice S. Sunil Dutt Yadav while hearing a plea filed by activist Snehamai Krishna, who challenged the B report submitted by the Lokayukta police. The case centers on allegations that MUDA had allotted compensatory sites to Parvathi BM at premium locations with higher property values than the original acquired land. The Lokayukta police, which had registered the case against Siddaramaiah, Parvathi and the Chief Minister's brother-in-law, later gave them a clean sheet in the closure report. This report had been admitted by the special court to try public representatives on January 28. The High Court's move to issue notices signals continued judicial scrutiny over the closure report and underscores the legal process involved in high-profile urban development and land allotment cases.